Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not just fascinating, but also incredibly relevant to our lives: the rise of artificial intelligence and how it's shaping our future. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept from science fiction. It's a powerful tool that's transforming industries, enhancing our daily lives, and even redefining what it means to be human. From the way we work to how we communicate, AI's making its mark in ways we never imagined. Imagine waking up in the morning and having your smart assistant help you plan your day, reminding you of important meetings, and even suggesting the best route to avoid traffic. This is just a glimpse of how AI is streamlining our routines, making our lives more efficient and less stressful. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing patient care. With advanced algorithms, doctors can now analyze medical data faster and more accurately, leading to earlier diagnoses and personalized treatment plans. This means better outcomes for patients and a more proactive approach to health management. Education is another area where AI is making waves. Personalized learning experiences powered by AI can adapt to each student's unique needs, helping them grasp complex concepts at their own pace. This not only fosters a love for learning, but also ensures that no one is left behind. But it's not just about convenience and efficiency. AI is also opening doors to new possibilities. Think about the creative industries. Artists, musicians, and writers are using AI as a collaborative partner, pushing the boundaries of creativity and innovation. This fusion of human and machine creativity is leading to groundbreaking works that inspire and challenge us. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. As we embrace the benefits of AI, it's crucial to engage in conversations about ethics, privacy, and the future of work. We must ensure that technology serves humanity and that we are all part of shaping this future. So, as we look ahead, let's remain curious and open-minded about the role of AI in our lives. It's an exciting journey, and together, we can navigate the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this discussion insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the incredible world of technology and its impact on our lives. Let's continue exploring this fascinating journey together.